Let's start the exercise on page number 141. Firstly, tick the correct option. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? You have to see the options. In the options 100, 1000, 10 and 15. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. SI unit of mass. So we have to tell the standard unit, the international unit of the mass, and that is kilogram. The motion of a pendulum is, we know that when a pendulum moves, it starts from a mean position and it gets dispersed onto the extreme positions, and it keeps on oscillating on a periodic basis. The time it takes to reach one extreme position is as same to reach the mean position. So it takes equal time reaching the extremes and then mean. So it is having an periodic motion and oscillatory also, but it is here we will go with periodic motion because it is moving periodically. The time taken by the moment in all directions, it is same. So it is moving at exact time interval, so it is called the periodic motion. Which of the following is not an example of periodic motion? So we have to read the question carefully. He is asking which of the following is not an example of periodic. Firstly, a pendulum. In the above question we have discussed that pendulum, it is in periodic motion. So he is asked next question, he is giving the option pendulum. So we know it is in periodic motion, so it can't be the answer. Hand while writing, the earth and a swing. The earth also shows periodic motion because it completes one rotation in 24 hours and one revolution in 365 1/4 day. So they both are in periodic motion. They are working, they are moving periodically. Then come to the hand. While writing. While writing, our hand, it doesn't move in a periodic motion. We can move, it will be in the category of random motion because whatever direction we can move our hand, we will not go with the period, time period. We can move our hand anytime at any speed. While writing, sometime we write fast and sometime we go slow. So it can't be called periodic motion. So the answer is hand while writing. Next part, circle the odd ones and give reasons for your choice. Part 1. Handspun, cubit, meter and pace. As we know that handspun, cubit and pace. So handspan, cubit and pace, they are some general terms which were used previously for measurement in earlier times. So they can't be called exact. They do not give us exact figure. They are the units that are based on length of body parts and they are not always accurate. They do not give us accurate measurement of the things. But meter, it is an SI unit. So it is a standard unit and it gives us exact measurement and it is followed throughout the world. So it is the SI unit. So this is how meter is different from both of them. So the answer is meter. Second, minute, hour and pace. Again, second, minute and hour, they are standard units which are used all over the world, but pace is a simple term that was used to measure in earlier times. So it is different from other because it is not an SI unit. So it is not a standard unit. So the answer will be pace. Next one, sofa, table, falling stone, pen. Here we see that sofa. We see sofa in our homes. It is placed in the drawing room and we sit in the room and we enjoy there. Then table, we study on the table, we take food on the dining table. And pen also, it will, if we put the pen in a place, it will be placed there exactly, it will not move. So the same thing is with sofa and table. They are in a stationary position, they are at rest position, they will not move on their own. But a falling stone, it is in motion, it is moving from one place to other, because it is falling on the ground, so it is in motion. So that is what makes it different from others, because it is in motion while others are not in motion. Blades of fan, giant wheel, swinging pendulum and spinning top. We can get an idea that blades of fan, they show rotatory motion, giant wheel also show rotatory motion, spinning top also show rotatory motion, but a swinging pendulum, it shows oscillatory and periodic motion. So it is different from others in this way. Next, fill in the blanks. The standard unit of length is meter. We use a meter rod to measure length, because meter rod is used to measure the length. An object is said to be at rest if its position does not change, means it is not showing any movement, so it is said to be at rest. The earth revolves around the sun in circular path. This is an example of circular motion. So when earth revolves around the sun, he is telling it is moving in a circular path, so it is an example of circular motion. A car moving on a straight road is in rectilinear motion. As we go by the definition of rectilinear motion, it says when an object moves forward in a straight line, then it is said to be in rectilinear motion. And we know that when a car moves on a straight road, it is moving straight, it is not moving in a zigzag manner, it is going forward, full object is going, full car is moving, full body of car is going, and it is moving on a straight road, so it is in rectilinear motion. The car shows